Japan is a masterclass in organized technologies, so it only makes sense that their drone laws are just as structured. If you're looking to explore the scale of the country, you'd need to go through the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transportation and Tourism, aka MLIT. It's not just a rulebook, it's a gateway to some of the best footages you will ever film. Here is how to navigate the official system and get your good to go from the Japanese government. Now, everything happens on the DIPS portal or DIPS. Now, full disclosure, this application kind of feels like a final exam. There are a lot of steps, from asking about your serial number to actually verifying your identity. Now, here's a heads up. The website will be very particular, such as asking for your name and the katakana formatting, which is their writing style. Take your time with it. You're essentially building a digital profile for your aircraft. It's thorough because Japan values safety. So once you hit the submit button, you can expect to wait 3 to 10 working days for MLIT to review and finally send you the approval via email. It's not instant, but once you have it, it definitely gives you that peace of mind before your trip. Now, the basic rules are very fair. Keep the drone under 150 meters, keep it inside, and give people their space. As long as you can stick to that baseline, the MLIT will respect the rights for you to fly. So, is it a process? Yes. Is it complicated? Just a little. However, once you receive your confirmation, you can legally fly, for example, over a Japanese mountain range. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.